there, it is the Young Car Spotter, and today we have a collection of very luxurious cars and a very fast car once again. So yeah, hope you enjoy. So this one is a Bentley Mulsanne. So yeah, it's a very big car. Come around to the back here, got like kind of some chrome accents. You can see on the lights there. Go down to the exhaust, chrome, nice chrome. We've got chrome just above the exhaust as well. Bentley badge, license plate. And then, yeah, it's a very long car. Come round to the front. It kind of looks ugly, but I'm not really sure. The grille, I'm not really sure about it. I mean, the lights are like every other Bentley, so yeah. Let's go around to the wheels. I can't really see how big they are. Come around. Right, they're 21-inch wheels. Yeah, so they're freaking massive. Moving on. And then there was a Rolls-Royce Wraith. Yeah, Rolls-Royce Wraith, and it looks stunning. First time I've seen it, so yeah. Which looks, yeah, it does look quite nice. Wow, indeed. So let's look at the paintwork. So it's been wrapped with satin black or matte black, and then with a gloss black and gloss black wheels. Wheels. And if you look at those wheels in comparison to the car, it's absolutely massive. So yeah. If you look at the front, you can see how big they are. So, oh! Wow, 24-inch wheels, 24s, slightly big, and 255mm, so they're pretty big, and they're quite nice wheels, to be honest. Come here to the front, kinda looks like the Ghost, I think, correct me if I'm wrong.
Original, reflected in your hair.
So yeah, thanks for watching my video, hope you enjoyed it. Kind of like some cars I saw at Artec. I'll leave a link to them in the description below. Just do it. They're called Artec Auto Design. They do body kits, repairs, wheels and everything, exhaust, a lot basically. If you saw my earlier video, you saw that black F12 Levitec and Longo all over Instagram. So yeah, if you want to see more of my content, please subscribe to my video, subscribe to my channel even. And yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, bye!